40 common hand shapes used in ASL, including the 26 letters of the manual alphabet. Close attention to hand shape is important to conveying and comprehending the meaning of a sign. Some signs will change hand shape in the middle of a sign, or incorporate more than one shape to create a sign. Below is an image of commonly used ASL hand shapes. Movement is a very important aspect for conveying meaning. There are two general rules for movements in ASL. If one hand moves, then two different hand shapes are permissible. This type of movement occurs with signs like sometimes, which uses the hand shapes B and D, from, which uses the hand shapes D and X, and helicopter, which uses the hand shapes 3 and 5. If both hands move, then both hands must have the same hand shape. This type of movement occurs with signs like can, which uses the A hand shape, maybe, which uses the B hand shape, and crash, which uses the 3 hand shape. Location refers to where the sign is located in relationship to the body or sign space. Changing the location of a sign can completely change the meaning, even though the other parameters, such as hand shape, palm orientation, and movement, are the same. One example of the importance of location is illustrated by the following signs: summer, ugly, and dry. The only parameter change between these signs is location. The direction the palm is facing is referred to as palm orientation. Palm orientation down means the palm is facing the floor. Palm orientation up means the palm is facing the ceiling. Palm orientation toward dominant side means the palm faces the dominant side of the body, and toward non-dominant side means the palm faces the non-dominant side of the body. Palm orientation forward means the palm is facing away from the body, and palm inward means the palm is facing toward the body. Palm orientation can greatly influence the meaning of a sign, so paying careful attention is important for successful communication. Communication is approximately 10% sign formation and 90% non-manual signals and expression. Expressions can completely change the meaning of a sign. For example, saying, "I'm fine" with the eyebrows down really means "I'm not fine," while saying "I'm fine" with pursed lips means I'm actually fine. It is very important to avoid mouthing English words when using ASL because this practice interferes with creating the important grammatical features of ASL. Virtually all adjectives are described in ASL using non-manual signals and expressions. For example, I can say, "I worked really hard today," or "I barely worked today." The signs are the same, but my expression conveys my true meaning. This is done in English both through adjectives and vocal intonation.